Johnny's in love with a voodoo queen. She's trading in potions for diamond rings, don't you know? I'm at the bar, it's 3:45, chasing down oysters with long necks and cocktail sauce. Out in the quarter at 3:45 down in New Orleans. Wasn't my idea, well it might have been. Driving my Harley on a bridge called Causeway with a couple of friends. Just might have been the best it's been. Got me an apartment down on Bourbon Street. Tabletop dancers and shooters can't be beat. Rosie left early with a note on the door, headed for Frisco, she won't be back no more. Went out to Paddles just to drown out my sorrows with a couple of friends. When who walks in, and she's wearing a grin. Maybe tomorrow we'll return what we borrowed, hit the road again. But no matter where we've been, we wind up here. Rosie and me got a place on the square. She's selling her paintings to tourists, doing well. Bought us a shotgun on Chestnut Street. The children are playing and oak trees line the streets. Traded my Harley for a sunset in Bali and the birth of my twins, Laura and Lynn. They've got their mother's grin. Can't say I'm sorry for the late nights or